What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Build DMV channel. As you can see, we got Caleb's Civic back in the garage. Caleb back there, and we also got the new motor right here that's gonna be going in. Nothing special, just another D motor to go right, pretty much plug and play. Drop this old one out, hook everything up to this motor, drop it right back in. That's what we doing, and we're gonna jump right into it, y'all. We not playing around. We trying to get this thing in there pronto. So we'll get back to y'all with an update later.
Where is this jump? We need this jump. We need. Where is it? Crack all of them crack. You should just put that on my hand and just these on roll.
This is a big rack.
There's really a small 14.
God bless America and power tools.
That thing was going to drive either way. We would have put that on there.
Half ton. Where the
I'm looking for the 19 kicks off it.
oh, it's on the gun. Right there, next to the blue gun.
Good shit, go let it. Can I?
No.
Where does big go? Work. Almost. All fucking loose.
Alright, y'all, so pretty much got this thing out, got all the attachments and everything for the motor out. We literally just taking out these last 3 bolts, and once we take those out, we'll take this last bracket off, and then what we're going to do, we're actually not going to lift the engine out. We're actually just going to use the cherry picker to drop the engine and transmission down to the ground safely. So yeah, give us a couple more minutes and this thing should be out. Yes sir.
Be in there, like swimwear.
Yeah.
Where's that 1700?
Alright, you lower that jack down. And
you just gotta drop the whole motor. Oh, yeah.
Just come around this side, so guide it down.
Black it off with
You go. You have it there now, man.
I never got that car up. Slide that bitch out back.
Nitro Civic coming soon.
Nitro Civic with a nitrous bike. Wow, that's 2 headaches.
Yeah, y'all, we went with the Ultra 500 shot on the nitrous bottle. We had it, came to match the car. This is what we got right here, y'all.
Hey!
Alright, y'all, so there she is. Got the engine and transmission out. Now we're gonna start unbolting the this block from the transmission and start getting everything bolted up to this one. And yeah, making great time and great progress right now, y'all. So can't complain on that one. But we're gonna get right back to work. What size bolts is this on the train? 17. Alright, y'all, don't mind the mess. My camera is about to die, but we did get the engine and the transmission separated. So now we're going to start swapping over this transmission to this engine, and then we're going to be swapping off any parts we want from this block onto this block, like the alternator and things like that. And then we are actually going to be taking this head off to use the head that was on that motor, because that's a better head. Back in the garage, y'all, we got the new block mounted to the transmission. We got the alternator and everything hooked up. Pretty much got all the parts swapped over to the new block, and we're just pretty much now working on hooking the shift linkage back up, and gonna start jacking this motor up a little bit so that we can get it mounted back in, and hopefully soon here we'll have the engine and the transmission mounted back to the vehicle on its own. So yeah, that's what we're working on. It's been a bit of a process, but hasn't been too bad, y'all. We making good progress still, so not gonna complain. Had to take a nice little break for a while just to take a little breather, but we back at it, getting shit done. Alright guys, update. As you can see, Caleb is bolting in down the transmission side. Already got the engine side over there lined up. Already got the back bolts in there and tight. So yeah, we rocking and rolling, y'all. Like I said, about to start getting a bunch of the little stuff connected, get the head back on here, and get the axles back in, and then we'll just be waiting for the tuner to come out here and time this thing and put a little base map on here. And yeah, should be back up and running.